Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Nifty today, after breaking that crucial support of 15,750 yesterday on expiry day, clearly saw some amount of respite. In fact, during live market hour, it was on my Twitter channel. I am Rudramurthy. I updated today. No shorting after this gap down open for pure intraday. And as expected, both Nifty and Bank Nifty saw a huge recovery from lower levels. And those of you who went short after the gap down open were clearly caught. People now ask, how can you tell this? So volatile market, one day up, one day down, but you are able to tell it every time rightly. It is not because of me, it is just because of my power of chart reading through market profile. Market profile morning clearly indicated that amount of bounce, and there was no continued selling which was happening at the lower level. In fact, it is very important to know what the big fish is doing and how is market positioned. I always laugh. There are people who say market will go down and market goes up after they say market will surely go up, but the market comes down after this. Totally they are confused, and their followers also. But then let me tell you, I'm not here to talk about anyone. I'm only telling it as a superb entertainment for people to understand. These guys have no clues on market, nor they understand market profile. I want to just tell you guys, it is the power of market profile which will give you all this learning. And if you also know that chart reading, you can also tell for short term how the market makes its move. And let me tell you, IT stocks, look at TCS, even though the results were super duper, market positioning is very, very important. And from lower levels, even though there was a huge recovery both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, TCS was making a move on the downside. Also, look at metal counters, look at Tata Steel, look at other metal stocks. Everything were rallying today. In fact, Tata Steel was up 3-4% in spite of market overall seeing some amount of recovery. How can you tell exactly metal stocks will make the comeback? How can you say exactly Tata Steel, Vedanta, SAIL, all these things were just moving only on the upside, irrespective of market? Yes, that is where stock selection plays a very, very important role. Let me tell you, this market still has to see some amount of consolidation over a period of time, and then it will be very, very stock specific market. Yes, for last few weeks and now close to months, market has been seeing low liquidity, low volumes, and hardly you have movement on either side. These are times when people have to be very stock specific, and you should have tons of patience. In today's program, I will also give you some input on what is market profile as a special bonus. In fact, all technical analysis tools, indicators, whether you use candlesticks, you use technical chart patterns, indicators, whatsoever, they all consider three important factors, namely price, volume, and open interest. Anything in technical analysis or chart reading, it considers three important factors: price, volume, and open interest. However, market profile, along with price, volume, open interest, what any other technical tool will use, it uses a fourth important factor called as time. And let me tell you, time is opportunity. And if you can understand, time is the most critical element for a short term trader. And let me tell you, it is too easy. Even if you don't understand the market direction, you can make tons of money by selling options, provided you have big capital. If you have a capital of 1 crore, simply sell put options of, let us say, Nifty 15,500 and call options of, let us say, 16,000, and market being in this range, you will make money. Right now I am telling, go and sell SBI put option of strike price of, let us say, 400, and I expect SBI surely to be above 400 and you will make easy money. But the question is, do you have the 1 crore capital? Many of you, including me, I started with a very small capital of 10,000, and today what I am is because of the calculated risks what I took, and I started with such a small capital, and from there I have built it over a period of time. And let me tell you, the number one reason why people lose money in market is because they want to become super rich very fast. And if you can give time, understand making money is a process and a journey which you have to enjoy. Give time for a time and understand how to do trade. You don't have to be right on every call. In fact, if you are right on every call, then I say there is no opportunity in market, then you should either be God or you should be a liar. You don't have to be right on every trade, every call what you make, but you should understand how one can successfully, profitably, and make money and trade in this market with understanding of lot of tools. One such tool like market profile, which considers time as an important element. More on market profile I will definitely teach you, give you more inputs for your learning. And those of you who don't want to miss the learning of market profile program, this Sunday I have the new batch of market profile happening, and normally my programs of market profile happens only once in a year. And those of you who want to be part of this Sunday live program on market profile, and you want to know everything about market profile, and you want to predict even the short term movements of market, understand how time plays such an important role, and you want to have the valuable learning and make tons of money through right earning and learning, this is a course not to miss at any cost and any price. Guys, more learning on market profile I will give it to you, and this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you will see special program on profitable options as usual, which I'll give you, and also one program in Kannada for my local Kannadigas and for people who want to watch my channel Rudralogy. For more learning, keep watching Easy Money Show. And those of you who are serious to move to next level, who want to move from a loss-making trader to a profitable trader, who wants to learn the power of market profile, don't miss to register this super duper special program, Market Profile Made Easy. It's a 3-week program. Every Sunday, starting from this Sunday, it will happen. Complete live program, complete practical program. Only few seats left out. If you want to register, do call the number below given in the description and get into the program Market Profile Made Easy. Thanks for watching today's program. I'm sure you have learnt a lot on market and you have made a lot of notes. Time is opportunity, do remember that, and market profile is the only tool which considers time as the most important element when it comes to short-term market analysis. See you all, and thanks for watching this video. This Sunday I will be there for all those guys who wants to learn the special art of short-term movement in market. You want to get it through market profile. You want to move from a loss-making trader to a profitable trader, and you want to see the next level of market analysis. Do not miss that program, and I'll be waiting to see your comments below. We will meet this weekend with special programs. Take care. Till then, goodbye.